Alright, guys. Quick recap. Lately, I don't want to jinx it because I try my best to stay disciplined, bro. But I can only do so much discipline shit when I'm in the eval stage. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to take eval slow, but at the same time, bro, there's this thought in my head of like I gotta take it a little faster at least. You know, like whenever I trade evals, I don't full port, but whenever I do like quote unquote not follow the rule, is, I go heavy. Like today, I'm gonna show you guys my executions right here. As you can see, yeah, I took a short here. This one could have been avoided, but you gotta understand what we're playing with here. Our target's all the way is down here, so pretty much what I was looking at. I enter right here. See, I ain't gonna lie, yeah, I could have avoided that trade, bro. So we didn't really have an SMT, so yeah, it wasn't bad. Pretty much my entry was like around here. Stops was like, originally it was up here. You know, my price started moving right there. I moved it here because so when you look at it, if you look at the 1 minute, like, bro, where's the entry here? There's no entry. So yeah, when you look at it, it could have been avoided, but it is what it is. I'm cool with it. Now this thing is finally starting to run lower. I think we're gonna hit Asia low today. We're probably gonna fuck, bro. What am I keep doing this, bro. So yeah, basically my entry, like I said, right here in the 1 minute, there's literally no trade here, so I could avoid that. But basically what I was looking at here, we're probably gonna hit Asia low today. I'm betting on it. It's more likely, but for sure we're gonna take out these lows right here. These red lines that I got here on the charts, they're very high probability targets, which is why that's what I was targeting today. I don't really want to disclose what that is yet, because that's something I don't know if it probably exists up there somewhere with a different name. I have a name for it, but I'm not trying to claim it. But it is something that I found. I didn't like find this from somebody else, but just back testing this what I noticed. So yeah, pretty much that's what I was targeting the whole time right there. I was like, okay, I probably started doing this. People probably started fucking flipping towards the upside at this point. It's like, nah, this like there's no way you should be looking for longs, bro. Like, look, we have this shit right here. For me to look for longs, the safest long would be a closure above here. Like that is literally the only way I would look for longs. But if you look at this shit, like, bro, we're not going for longs, bro. We still have this. We still have this tweet right here. So yeah, no, like longs was not an option. So I just waited pretty much. So okay, let me wait here. Yeah, pretty much this trade was, yeah, I got in at the closure of this here. Stops above here. Pretty much got in heavy as hell. Did that. Probably started pulling back. I was like, oh fuck. I moved my stop here, but then I was like, okay. I moved it back here because if this gets taken out, the trade is still very much valid. So I said, all right, I'm gonna give it room to breathe again. Then as soon as the price started going back lower, I added more. Then I put my stop up here, and yeah, targeting this. That's it. It's pretty simple. See, like I always say, man, like knowing where price goes is not the problem, bro. Like damn near, I'd say 90% of the time I'm right about the move, man. It's just me getting slapped before that target gets hit, because I'm either getting in too early, like this right here, like this trade, or I'm just being dumb as fuck, going in fucking heavy as hell with no real confirmations. But yeah, these lows definitely should get taken out here. We're currently SMTing this. We got the reaction out of it now, so if anything, it should take it out now, or it's gonna do a retracement and then continue. I don't see this thing just reversing at this point and then going higher. I don't see that. But if it does happen, well, it is what it is. But yeah, that's about it, man. Pretty simple day. Almost about to pass this account here. So yeah, need about just around I say 568. Yeah, 568. I could try to pass it tomorrow, but I might go slower because I don't want to fuck it up. And yeah, that's about it, man. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I normally want to go for 1 to 2s, but lately, especially with how prices have been moving, I kind of just want to stick to like taking it off at the target like this. As you can see, that's not even a 1 to 1. That's how I used to do it, take it off at the target. So I might just start doing that again, bro. Cause like, I don't know, I'm still debating on that. But yeah, hold on, let's get in here. Like, we just manipulated this high right here. It's a little early entry, because you're supposed to wait for, the turnaround. We haven't gotten that yet. But this is a demo, so I don't really give a fuck. Oh shit. Okay, we got clapped right there. Pretty much anywhere here, you could just get in, bro. Like, look, we're just gonna get in right now. We'll put our stops up here. Actually, that's not bad. Yeah, we should be able to, this should be able to hit. But yeah, that's it, man. I'm about to upload this. I'll see you guys in the next one.